Hey everyone, welcome to Nihilift. This sucks. We're going to be doing a shoulder workout. First up is kneeling windmills. Nice and slow. Keep the top arm nice and straight. Get your hand down to the floor where your sense of self-worth should be. Nice and easy. Take your time. Breathe through that rotation. Next, we're going to do resistance bands. We're going to do wide touches and then touch a little bit higher up. I'm so tired. Why do I keep doing this? Nothing is getting better, but God damn it, do I look good shirtless. There you go, back and forth, stabilizing the muscle, taking your time. I hate myself. Okay, nice and cool. Next, we're going to be doing a seated military press. I'm doing with kettlebells. You can do with dumbbells if you are a piece of shit. I like the seated part because I get to sit down. Fuck you. Exhale through the extension. Nice and slow on the way down. Don't let it slam your stupid chest, idiot. All right, all the way down. Lastly, some pike push-ups. Raise that tight little ass of yours and come all the way down. Don't cheat on it, you fucking cowards. All right, and make that shoulder nice and strong for the weight of the world to fucking punish your ass. Good. All right, well, we did a workout. I hope you enjoyed it, you piece of shit. I hate you. I love you so much. Please don't leave me ever again.